first and foremost, I mean, we're in a business where it's all about partnerships and it's about the people that are in the trenches with you as a partner. So I think transparency, and I think the ability to have accountability of, when we do these optimizations, things aren't going to get fixed overnight, but we're trending and tracking towards a common goal. So I think also transparency when it comes to everything that we're doing in partnership, as well as a pricing model, as well as, I think just the ethics behind just a true partnership and the value and understanding what you're getting and receiving in partnership. I think it's extremely important. I think, one of the other ones is, the ability to really connect on your media mix and your creative with a true understanding of your brand and your challenges as a business. And I think that kind of just unifying cry towards a partnership is ultimately the important foundation of a building block that you want to build any of these true partnerships that you find with a solutions provider that does what we would do or what our competitors also do.
Yeah, and I would say I really like to better understand what they've done in the past as well, to just what have you already tested? Have you seen success? What did you run the last year? And just having those types of conversations to just better understand what has been going on. So, you already know what they've been through, their past history, what they've gone, and tried. So having those conversations, I think, just really get the information out, and you guys can start to level set of what you're looking at and if you need to make any adjustments there. But really just getting that information from a new client is definitely super helpful when we're starting in those initial stages.